Neuro-Linguistic Programming, or NLP, is a set of techniques and beliefs that are used to improve communication, personal growth, and change. At the heart of NLP are 14 presuppositions, which are core beliefs that underlie the NLP approach. 1. The map is not the territory. Each individual has their own unique model of the world, and their perception of reality is subjective. 2. Everyone has their own unique model of the world. Each individual has their own way of interpreting the world around them, and everyone's experience is valid. 3. The meaning of communication is the response you get. Effective communication is not about what you say, but about how the other person responds to it. 4. People have all the resources they need to make changes. Individuals already have the tools they need to make positive changes in their lives. 5. There is no failure, only feedback. Every experience can provide valuable feedback for personal growth and change. 6. The person with the most flexibility and behavior will control the interaction. The person who is most adaptable and flexible is more likely to influence the outcome of a situation. 7. Behavior and change are to be evaluated in terms of context and ecology. Any changes or behaviors must be evaluated within the broader context of the individual's environment and overall well-being. 8. Resistance in a client is a sign of a lack of rapport. It's important to build rapport with others to create a more positive and effective relationship. 9. People are not their behaviors. People are complex beings with many different behaviors, and their worth is not defined by any single behavior. 10. Everyone is doing the best they can with the resources they have available. Individuals are always doing their best, given their current set of circumstances and resources. 11. People can change the way they think and feel. Individuals have the potential to make positive changes in their lives through conscious effort. 12. All procedures should increase wholeness. Any techniques or interventions used should aim to create a sense of completeness and overall well-being. 13. People operate perfectly to achieve their current results. Individuals are always doing what they need to do to achieve their current results, even if those results are not what they desire. 14. The highest quality information about other people is behavioral. Observe and interpret people's behavior in order to gain a deeper understanding of them. These 14 presuppositions form the foundation of NLP and can be used to enhance communication, personal growth, and change. Thanks for watching.